Hi there. So today I'm going to be showing you how to download various Google Chrome extensions to target accessibility to help your students learn in both your classroom and in remote learning situations. So I always start by Googling Google Chrome extensions for accessibility, and I click that first link to open the Google Chrome Web Store, and you can click View All to browse all of the options that they have. But I do have a few favorite extensions that I believe target the common goals and needs of students that may need modifications or accommodations when learning. The first extension that I want to show you is Read Aloud. It's a text-to-speech voice reader. It helps people that have vision problems by reading aloud the screen to them. So to download that, you would just simply click Add to Chrome. You would click Add Extension right here, and it automatically adds it up here into Chrome. If you wanted to pin that up there, you would click on this little extensions puzzle piece and you would hit the little pin next to Read Aloud. So then when you have stuff pinned up here, it's really useful if you are setting up your students' Chromebooks or whatever kind of computer they are working on. And it's also a suggestion that you could give to students if they are working from home doing remote learning. And to give an example of how Read Aloud works, I pulled up a random article on Edutopia, and you just click on the little Read Aloud button up top, and
Lessons from a Summer of Teaching in a Hybrid Classroom.
it starts reading to you, and you can skip through it,
As schools have in the Estacada School.
and you can also adjust some settings on it, such as the speed of the voice, the pitch of the voice, the volume, how it highlights the text, and the voice itself. The next extension that I wanted to show is called Alpha Text. It allows you to customize the screen to make articles and web pages more readable. To add it, same thing, add to Chrome, add extension. It'll pop up over here in your extensions. You can pin it to the top if you'd like. And then to just show you how that works, I'm going to go back to the Edutopia article. We're going to click on the extension up here. It allows you to change the font size. You can change the font to whatever font is more readable for you. You can change the height. You can make the background dark gray and the text white if that makes it easier for you. You click adjust and it does all of that for you, and you click on set and it changes the font for you. So really simple just to make reading more accessible on a computer screen. All right, another app that I want to show you is called Volume Master. It just basically allows the user to make the volume on any given video or audio louder than the website provides. So same thing, add to Chrome, add extension. There it is up there. You can pin it to the bar like so. And then just to show how that works, here is a video by Jack Hartman. So I'm just going to hit play and then I'll use the Google Chrome extension up here to adjust the volume. It could get a little loud, so just maybe turn down your volume a bit, but I want you to see how you can adjust the volume.
Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, let's learn. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, let's learn. Money, money, money.
So it lets you adjust the volume by 600% above what the website, in this case YouTube, would allow the volume max to be. And it just helps people that are hard of hearing to be able to access content online more easily. So the last extension that I want to show is called Zoom for Google Chrome. It's a really simple extension. It just allows the user to zoom in and out of a web page more easily than the controls on a computer might allow. So we just add to Chrome, add extension. It pops up here. You can pin it to the bar like so. And then just to show how that works, I'm going to go to this Edutopia article and we can zoom out, we can zoom in to make it more easily readable for anybody that may need that accommodation. So yeah, those are the 4 extensions that I wanted to show you that I think are really useful in both classroom and online learning situations. You can feel free to look at the rest that Google Chrome has to offer. There are so many more out there, and I hope this helps. Bye-bye.